Hi, I'm Patricia. I've lived up and down both coasts and currently live in beautiful San Francisco Bay Area. And I've been in high-level corporate sales, training, education, e-learning for most of my life, and was, ready for a change. Wanted to get out of the corporate world. So I was looking for something new, and I'll be honest. I worked for a short while. I found a company that I thought was going to be great. I launched my own business. I don't want to say it was a scam, but I just didn't get any support. I didn't have any help. They promised all kinds of things they didn't deliver. With my extensive background, I'd never done things like write an ad, post an ad. I didn't even know about invoices. I was going nuts, and I wasn't making any money, and I wasn't getting any help. And all those things are simple, when you know how to do them. But I didn't know how to do them, and I wasn't getting any help. I recently found something else, and that's what I want to talk about today. I discovered Ed Bounds in Superior HBC. Has been in business for almost 18 years and is annually accredited with the Better Business Bureau with an A+ rating, and I just could not be more excited. All of the things that were missing in the other company, mentorship, support, everything that I didn't have, I have with Ed and more. What I found was a plug-and-play online e-learning home-based business model. I mean, when I say plug-and-play, all those things I talked about that I've been struggling with for almost a year, it's built in. Ed and his genius marketing team, all that's part of the package. I mean, I had a business name, but if you don't, they help you find it. They help you set it up. They designed the most fabulous logo for me. I didn't know how to design a logo. I mean, I can't go pay a marketing team to do that. I mean, they did it for me. I went back and forth and back and forth. They had the colors I want, the design I want, and it's marvelous. I mean, I'm so excited. I've shown it to friends, and they're like, "Oh my gosh, Patricia, what did this cost you?" And I'm like, nothing, not a thing, just part of the deal. But this isn't even selling. I can sell proverbial iced Eskimos, but I don't care how good you are at sales. I don't know very many people that like cold calling, right? I mean, I don't. But there's really no selling involved here. It's people call you because they're interested in the ad, and you chat with them, and then you walk them through. It's all right there. It's just really more show and tell. It's not sales, it's show and tell. And it's fun because you talk to different people and find out about them. And if they're interested, great. And if they're not, that's fine too. We don't chase people. It's exciting to be with entrepreneurs like myself who feel the same way and who want to have their own business and yet work remotely from anywhere in the world. I've been fortunate. I've traveled all over the world, and yet in the past, even though I've worked remotely, I've always had a company I've had to get back to. And now I don't. I can do this anywhere. It doesn't matter. If I'm traveling or off with my family or whatever, as long as I've got my laptop and my cell phone, then I can work if I want to. So when I was selected after a two-step process, one of 10, by the way, that he selects every month, I was delighted. I was delighted as soon as I met him, and just have become more so with every day. Everything is just, I have other people on the team that we can talk to, and we have team meetings and discussions, and most importantly, Ed Bounds is exactly who he says he is. He is there every step of the way to help you with your business. And if someone decides down the road that, they have questions about other businesses and want other opportunities, he has such an amazing background that he's there to help with whatever people need. And that's what's amazing to me. The money potential is fabulous. That's why I came here. If you're like me and you're looking for an opportunity that you can do anywhere, literally in the world, anywhere you are, as long as you have internet, laptop, cell phone. I'd say check it out.